What's good, everybody? Today I'm here to talk to you about Elixir, and I was listening to a space held on X where they interviewed the founder, and he said TGE is about 8 weeks off. So what you want to do is you want to make your way to Elixir. Links in the description, and you want to complete your profile. You can share your links to get more points. But so first, what you want to do is connect your wallet, and so make sure you have other tabs closed that want you to change your blockchain, like changing to an L2 that's not Ethereum main chain, because otherwise it won't connect. It won't let you verify your account. So what you want to do is you want to close those. Otherwise, it will do this. It will want you to swap between Scroll here and Ethereum main chain, but you have to be on ETH main chain to connect properly. So after connecting your wallet, you want to connect your Twitter. This is how you do it. Click, and then finally your Discord. Also, if you connect your Sway wallet, that's some bonus for you. So they have their liquidity pools are on Sway and on many other layer 2s. So if you want to add liquidity there, I'll show you later. But first, we're connecting our accounts. Okay, so after you connect your accounts, you have remember Discord, and then you can supply Ether to mint ELX ETH. So you can come and do it over here. But since they have, so let's just quickly see. So when they release their main net, then it will be a 1-to-1 collateralized ETH. Okay, and you get 50% potion boost. One potion equals one potion, meaning they won't dilute your points with more sessions and more sessions, which is awesome. That's what I heard Cole say when he did the spaces. Anyway, so what we're going to do, we're going to get this 5x bonus by depositing DUSD. How do you do it? You come to Curve here, links in the description. You want to swap anything. Remember, this is main chain Ethereum. So you want to swap anything to this DUSD. I have 100 USDC here, and you don't need to use USDC. You can use anything you want to. But remember, it has to be DUSD. So I'm putting $100 in here, and I just wanted to see the conversion here. Remember, like I said, DUSD. There we go. Okay, so here we go. So for 100, I got 99. I lose about 6 cents. Nominally. So it could be that the exchange rate is not exactly the same. So remember this main chain. So the fees for transactions are a little bit higher than L2s, but currently it is super cheap to make any transactions. So if you're farming airdrops and you want some native Ethereum transactions that boost the value of your address, do it while gas is cheap like this. Here we go. So my tokens are approved, and now the swap, which is about 90 cents, which is cheap when you think about it, regardless. Okay, so just waiting for the transaction to get picked up here. About 18 seconds left. So about 8 more weeks until we see some fireworks from Elixir. I wonder how it's going to go. Is it going to be dust? I just hope they won't let us claim on the Ethereum mainnet, because then gas chews into, eats away at your profits from the airdrop. So soon we'll get it, And so remember to connect your social accounts, then you can get mystics. And share your links in the comments if you want someone else to use your referral link. It will boost your potions score. All right, so I'm going to close here, make our way back here, and deposit it. So funny, an interesting thing when I am doing this, I did it on another wallet, and I just wanted to make sure. I think they batch the two transactions, not together, but sequentially. So meaning you get a notification from, oh, here, I had to F5 refresh for it to work. So if you're having the same problem, just F5 and refresh it. So here I'm just allowing the spending of the DUSD. So what they want you to do is they put it sequentially. So if you get a transaction immediately after the spending allow, then you get the deposit transaction, which I think I cancel the first time just to make sure. So I'm going to close it here, and you have another transaction here. And this is actually your spending transaction. I just reject just to make sure. Okay, so that is correct. This is your spending transaction. So remember, on ETH, you have an allowing transaction, and then you have a spending transaction. And that is just to keep everything safe. So here I'm doing the spending transaction, waiting for the transaction to be picked up by the stakers or the miners. And sometimes what I'd like to do is I like to lowball the gas fees, not too much, but just in the interface, just to, because if you have a lot of transactions, it adds up. Remember, we're farmers. But the downside is sometimes it doesn't get picked up. But it's fine, you don't lose the money. And bada bing, bada boom, transaction finished. So that's how you do it. You can come back up here and you can see your scores over time. You have to refresh it. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this project. Cole seems like an awesome founder. And you can always come back and mint ELX ETH if you feel like you don't want the 5x, but I would go for the 5x. Let's see. Well, gas is cheap. It's not the end of the world. All right.